Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to sync Google Calendar with Outlook. This is a simple method that helps you connect your Google Calendar with Microsoft Outlook using the Calendar integration option. First, open Google Calendar and go to Settings. On the left side, select your calendar and open Integrate Calendar. Here you will find the public address in iCal format. This is the calendar link that can be used to sync your Google Calendar with Outlook and other calendar applications. To connect it with Outlook, you simply copy this iCal address and use it in Outlook's calendar subscription option. Once the calendar is added, Outlook can display your Google Calendar events automatically. This is useful if you want to access your Google Calendar schedule from Outlook on your computer or other supported devices. Make sure you use the correct calendar address and keep your calendar settings updated. That's it. This is the easiest way to sync Google Calendar with Outlook in 2026. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.